What's up everyone and good morning everyone. I am Rafi Gulchano Daliaran, 18 years of age and I currently reside in Teachers Village, Trujillo, Davao City. I completed my senior high school education at Dona Carmen Daria National High School last April 2025 under the Humanities and Social Sciences or UM strand. At present, I am first year college student at University of Mindanao pursuing a degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. Bilang isang kabataan na may malasakit sa wika at kulturang Pilipino, hangarin kumasa hindi lamang sa larangan ng pagtuturo, kundi pati na rin sa pagiging mabuting ehemplo ng makabagong guro na may puso, may prinsipyo, at may pagmamalasakit sa bayan. Someday, I want to become a successful licensed professional teacher because teaching has been my passion since I was a child. I want to pass on, especially my knowledge, to my students. After that, after completing my bachelor's degree, I plan to pursue for my master's degree and eventually, I aspire to earn a PhD or Doctor of Education. I trust in God's plan for my life, and I believe that with His guidance, I will reach that. I expect that I will learn how to care of my body and become more active through different type of physical activities or different physical fitness. I believe I will understand time by time on how exercise can help me stay healthy, strong, and full of energy. I also expect to learn the importance of fair play by always playing honestly and following the rules. I hope to become more respectful also, not just to my teammates and teachers, but to everyone around me. Also, I want to develop my empathy by learning how to support others and understand their feelings, especially during games or group activities. I believe this subject will help me grow not just physically, but also as a person with discipline, kindness, and teamwork. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa pagkakataong ito upang ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako po si Rafi Luciano Deliaran, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. Maraming salamat.